Welcome to Skilli. Have you got a table in a photo or screenshot? Excel can turn it into editable data instantly. Excel's data from picture functionality uses OCR technology to convert tables or data in a photo or screenshot into editable Excel data. You can use images saved on your computer, screenshots, or even pictures taken from your phone. Let us show you how. We have two images. One, a good quality screenshot, and another is a lower quality screenshot from a website, insideintelligence.com. We're going to use these images to show you how this feature works. Open Excel and go to Data tab on the ribbon, then select from Picture. Use Picture from File or from Clipboard if you copied something into the clipboard. Select your image, click Insert. Excel will scan the image now and show you a preview of what it has found. After the initial scan, you will see a preview which you can edit. Here is where you can edit the data. You can either click on Review and step through each individual correction that you might need to make, or you can just pick a specific cell you'd like to check to see if it's correct. What we've noticed here, Excel has not quite correctly recognized the distance between the actual timestamp and the date itself. So we can just correct it right here. So we've got two methods to review it. Click on Review and step through each individual cell, or you can just scroll as you would normally, eyeball the data and see what you'd like to change. Click on Insert Data once you're done. Just like that, hours of manual typing become seconds of automated support. Try it out and make data entry effortless. Now your image has been converted into a real editable Excel file you can filter, sort, and analyze just like normal. Let's go and insert the second picture, which is a screenshot from the internet, and it's a lower quality image, to see how well Excel deals with that. We repeat the process. Let's step through specific items. We can see that the year is not quite right. That is correct. We're missing a whole number here. That is correct. And so on and so on. Sometimes you don't have to change a lot. Sometimes you do spend a fair bit of time to correct it. Click Accept. Insert data once you think you are done with reviewing the data. Right away, we can see that the majority of the actual numbers are fine. We've got some issues with text at the very bottom, which is fine. Still, quite a fair bit of time saved. So the data from Picture Excel tool is perfect for receipts, printed tables, screenshots from PDF, screenshots from websites, and even images taken with your phone. No typing, no manual entry. That's the smarter work, the Skilli way. Watch out for more helpful hints from Skilli. Goodbye for now.